So our given problem is the integral of 90 squared dt and the integral of negative 15x raised to 4 dx. So para masagutan natin yun is we're using constant multiple rule for integration, which is the integral of c f of x dx is equal to c integral of f of x dx. So let's answer the number 1. So kung nagtatanong kayo ba't nakaalabas yung 9 is we have this formula is our 9 is the constant, so kaya siya nakalabas. So copy the t squared, then hanapin natin yung integral niya using the power rule. So magiging ganito na siya, d 9 t plus 2 over 2 plus 1 then plus c. So madali na lang yan. 9 t3 over 3 plus c. So as you can see, we have the similarity, so lowest term natin siya, then ayun na yung magiging sagot, is equal to 3t cube plus c. So this is our final answer. And for number 2 naman is we have the integral of negative 15x raised to 4 dx. So as you can see, our constant is the negative 15, so lalabas natin siya, then magiging ganito na siya, negative 15 integral of x raised to 4 dx. Then kukunin lang natin yung integral using the power rule ng x raised to 4. So magiging equal siya dito, is equal to negative 15 x raised to the 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 then plus c. So meron na tayong integral, nakuha na natin, so sasagutan na lang natin siya, negative 15 x to the raise of 5 over 5 plus c. So paano naging ganyan yan? Kasi 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, so magiging x raised to 5 siya, then after and yung baba naman is ganun din. So sagutan na natin siya. As you can see, meron silang similar term, so magiging the lowest term na lang natin siya, so magiging ganito yung sagot, negative 3x raised to 5 plus c. So this is our final answer for number 2.